Hello fellow rebels, and welcome back to the channel. Fresh off the bike meet in Dungarvan and going out to Kilmacthomas today, maybe along Stradbally, we'll see. Going to head out the Kilmeaden way today. It's a bit different from the long road out there, which is grand. You can give the bike a stretch and stuff like that, but still. One of the planned spins that I have for next month is Dromona Gate. So I'm going to go to Mount Mellery Grotto, Middle Street, and then Dromona Gate Lodge, and I put it together the other day, so really looking forward to that. That'll be a good spin. Some places I've been, some places I haven't been, but it'll be a good spin around the west of the county. So I have that to look forward to, and obviously we'll have the video there as well. Right, so we're just coming to Stradbally now, or Stradbally. The benefits of the Greenway and everything like that. As you can see, look at the big massive sign, part of the Greenway. It's a lovely village actually. So the viaduct is just over here. Last time I was here on the bike, I went down a hill over there. I had the phaser at the time. Oh my god, the weight of it was unreal. I went down and it was a private car park. I ended up getting stuck in there. Oh, the weight of it coming up is just, and I want confidence in holding the brakes and stuff like that, and oh my god, I was crapping myself to say the least. Try to get Bonnie in as tight as we can. That's obviously the viaduct over there. I can go down onto green down there. I didn't go down there the last time actually, because I made that fateful turn down that gap down there. Would you believe it's actually starting to rain? Unreal. That's a nice waterfall down there. Annoying. I shot a load of video down there with the fuel thing, and I thought the thing was on. Obviously it wasn't. But yeah, this is an old railway, but now it's been used for the Greenway. Isn't that cool? Oh, I thought I could go up there. Ah, pity. Cool, listen to the station house. Very cool. Nice. Some view, isn't it? So nice. Yeah, I thought I could have had a look in the station house there. That would have been nice. Well, right, we'll head in and meet Dan anyway. So I'll go down this way and I'll show you. I thought the video was shooting the whole time. I don't think I got the video. I was on about finding the fuel pumps down there. Oh well. I'm such an amateur. lighting out, got all the things I came down for, and locally as well. Like I said, I'm trying to stay a bit local this month anyway for the points, but that's some view. Great use of an old station. Pity you don't have that station house. It'd be cool. Wonder if you could stop and have a coffee, or could just go inside and look at it. You know. Oh, he's always open, boy. Oh, he's always open for points. I think that's a bell up there. Sure is. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I like that. Pulling in here. Oh, cool. That's a great find, isn't it? You've seen a bell like that before. You can see the donger. I'll show you the fuel pump down there. I had Google mapped it earlier on there to have a look, and I thought it might have been in use, but it's obviously not. The place closed down. Look at that view. Kim Thomas. It's part of Kim Thomas I haven't been in before. Look at that. Beautiful. Garda station in there. So the fuel pumps are here on the right, look. See him there? See him there, look. Right there. Right in the middle of the village. Yeah. Unused, disused. Happy days. Right. Right, we're going to meet Dan this time. On the way, Dan. So that find of the fuel pumps has actually saved me going to Strat Valley as well, which I think is a good thing because the weather's kind of turning, so I don't think I'm going to bother with Strat Valley today. I actually seen a tractor, and it looks like the one Dan has on his page. I think I might have passed his house. I must ask him. Let's see if Dan comes down on the Honda 90. I'd say he will. Well, what's the crack?
I couldn't come in, and then €3 to fill to the neck, like when it's empty, like so.
No wrong with that, is there?
Ah.
I wish fucking she was €3. Jesus Christ. So we popped into Croak Coffee and had an old chat, and Dan done me up some keyrings, as you can see there, and then later on I got some stickers off him. So the stickers are only sample stickers, so we're working on those at the moment. Well, Dan is working on them, and I'm working on what I want them to look like for me. And the keyrings, you can get keyrings off him as well. I have his Instagram there, so I'll put it up again for you there. And yeah, so watch this space. It's only things for myself. If you want one yourself, just let me know. Give me a shout. But mainly for myself. The keyring's cool. I really like the keyrings, and I like the stickers as well. I still have to try the stickers out on my bag and stuff like that as well. So I'll let you know how I go with those. But the keyrings are cool, and Dan can sort you out as well. So just hit him up on Instagram. Alright, boy, no bother. See you again, alright? Mind yourself. Right, Dan, boy, off he goes in the 90. Actually, he's sound out. Spent about an hour chatting away in the coffee place there. He's absolutely sound out. Just want little bits and pieces. Like I said before, just build them up as time goes on, stickers and stuff like that as well, you know. And hope people request t-shirts and stuff. I have a Deise Rebel t-shirt, but not with my new logo. So we get that sorted anyway at some stage. But we'll head in now. Hopefully the weather is not too bad. The seat's a bit wet. It was raining when we were inside. But no, that was a good day. That was a good little spin out. You'd always find something different or whatever when you're of the mindset of me anyway. You'd always see something different on the videos, and even just heading out the road like that, there's always something different that I do or something like that. Yeah, all good. All good. Yeah, had a good old meet up with Dan there, and a nice afternoon / evening. But yeah, Kilmac Thomas is beautiful, isn't it? Really beautiful. I hadn't been up that end of it before, so it's it has a lot going on. So go out and visit it. Like you can see in all my videos, Waterford has so much that you can do, so much that you can go visit yourself on your bike, with your kids, with your friends, whatever. There's always a good bit going on in Waterford, the city and the county as well, and I try to show you as much as that as possible. You know, Deise Rebel, so we got to be showing you the Deise, you know. Right, let's head home. Head home and have a beer. Alright. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time. Let me change the app. Deise Rebel.